Welcome back to BitcoinDorks, your daily source for cryptocurrency news and market updates. Today, we dive into a concerning incident that has rocked the Solana ecosystem. Stay tuned as we explore how an insider attack drained a staggering $2 million from Solana's Pump.fun meme coin platform, shedding light on the persistent challenges facing decentralized projects in the crypto space. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, even the most exciting ventures can fall prey to insider threats. Recently, Solana's Pump.fun meme coin platform suffered a significant setback as an insider attack drained a staggering $2 million from the project. This incident highlights the ongoing challenges faced by decentralized platforms and serves as a cautionary tale for investors navigating the volatile crypto landscape. The Pump.fun platform, known for its whimsical and engaging approach to meme coins, was thrust into the midst of a harrowing ordeal when an individual with insider knowledge orchestrated a meticulously planned attack, resulting in the staggering loss of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. This brazen and audacious act not only inflicted significant financial harm but also dealt a devastating blow to the trust and confidence of the platform's users and investors. As the dust settled and the true extent of the damage became clear, the Solana ecosystem found itself grappling with a profound sense of uncertainty and apprehension. The incident underscored the pressing need for decentralized platforms to fortify their defenses and implement robust security measures to protect against insider threats and malicious actors. In the aftermath of this unprecedented breach of trust, the Pump.fun team has committed to intensifying their efforts and implementing decisive measures aimed at fortifying their security protocols and re-establishing trust within the community. Recognizing the gravity of the situation and the imperative to regain the confidence of their users and investors, they have pledged to leave no stone unturned in their quest to bolster the platform's defenses against future threats. This includes conducting comprehensive audits, implementing advanced security measures, and enhancing transparency and communication channels to keep stakeholders informed and engaged. However, while the Pump.fun platform endeavors to navigate the path toward recovery and restoration, the broader crypto industry finds itself confronting profound existential questions about the inherent challenges of ensuring trust and security in an increasingly interconnected and decentralized digital landscape. The incident serves as a stark reminder of the critical importance of robust security infrastructure and proactive risk management strategies in safeguarding the integrity and resilience of decentralized platforms operating within the crypto ecosystem. As stakeholders across the industry grapple with these complex issues, it becomes increasingly clear that addressing the evolving threat landscape requires a collective and concerted effort to foster a culture of vigilance, accountability, and continuous improvement within the crypto community. Insider attacks pose a unique threat to decentralized platforms, as they exploit vulnerabilities from within the project itself. In the case of Pump.fun, the attacker leveraged their access to sensitive information or privileged positions to orchestrate the heist, catching investors and developers off guard. These measures may include implementing multi-factor authentication, conducting regular security audits, and enhancing encryption methods to safeguard sensitive data. Additionally, the team has committed to bolstering their monitoring and surveillance systems to detect and respond swiftly to any suspicious activity on the platform. Beyond fortifying their technical defenses, the Pump.fun team is also taking proactive steps to collaborate with law enforcement agencies to thoroughly investigate the incident and identify the perpetrators responsible for the attack. By working closely with legal authorities, the team aims to ensure that justice is served and that those responsible for the theft are held accountable for their actions. This collaboration may involve providing authorities with access to relevant data and evidence, cooperating with forensic experts to analyze the attack vectors, and assisting in the apprehension of the individuals involved. The Pump.fun team is actively engaging with the broader crypto community to provide updates and transparency regarding their response to the attack. Through open communication channels, regular updates, and community forums, the team seeks to reassure users and investors that they are taking decisive action to address the security breach and prevent similar incidents in the future. Transparency and accountability are paramount in rebuilding trust within the community, and the Pump.fun team is committed to maintaining a high level of transparency throughout the recovery process. In addition to their immediate response efforts, the Pump.fun team is also conducting a comprehensive review of their existing security infrastructure and governance mechanisms to identify areas for improvement. This review may involve conducting post-mortem analyses of the attack, identifying weaknesses in their security protocols, and implementing measures to address these vulnerabilities effectively. By learning from the lessons of the past and proactively strengthening their defenses, the Pump.fun team aims to emerge from this ordeal stronger and more resilient than ever before. As the industry continues to evolve, the importance of robust security measures and proactive risk management cannot be overstated. By remaining vigilant and proactive in their approach to security, decentralized projects can mitigate the risks of insider attacks and safeguard the integrity of their platforms for the benefit of users and investors alike. While the fallout from the attack may dent confidence in the short term, it also presents an opportunity for the crypto community to reassess its approach to security and governance. By learning from past mistakes and implementing best practices, decentralized projects can better safeguard their platforms and foster trust among users and investors. As investors navigate the ever-evolving crypto landscape, incidents like the Pump.fun attack serve as a stark reminder of the inherent risks involved in decentralized finance, DeFi, and meme coin projects. While the allure of quick gains may be enticing, it's essential to exercise caution and conduct thorough due diligence before committing funds to any project. In conclusion, the insider attack on Solana's Pump.fun platform serves as a sobering reminder of the importance of security and transparency in the crypto space. While setbacks are inevitable in this rapidly evolving industry, it's crucial for stakeholders to remain vigilant and proactive in mitigating risks and protecting the integrity of decentralized platforms. Thank you for joining us today.